Hamam wants to meet you. He said, Sangeeta, where were you?
वो देखते हैं कि एक्टर के अंदर भूख कितनी है.
I am very hungry to do good work.
She has a scar, emotional wound के अलावा it's also something which is in a way visible.
The sad part was that I was internally bruised and I was externally bruised. तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा challenging था.
How's been your experience as far as Punjabi?
He's the most humble person. He sometimes forgets he's Amrinder Gill. That's the beautiful quality I think.
The sort of I think success that Diljit is enjoying.
वो भी बंदा कम बात करता है, अपना काम करता है. हाँ, but stage पे आते तो ऐसा धमाका करता है that everyone's like, oh wow, क्या कर दिया. And he's so talented. Hi, this is Sangeeta Sheikh and you're watching me on Connect Cine with Faridu. Stay connected.
संजीदा, वेलकम बैक ऑन कनेक्ट सिने. कैसी हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक फरीदून, आप कैसे हो?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. और बहुत ही कमाल का आपका परफॉर्मेंस है हीरा मंडी में. मैं शुरुआत करूंगा एक डायलॉग से जिस that made me just I think sit up and take notice and I just rewinded and watched it again. फिरोज साहब अब आधे मिनट का भी एहसान जताएंगे.
You know,
So I thought it was so quirky. It was so quirky, and I think the best way to literally attack a man's ego is in this and it works. It works perfectly, and the fact is that the way she and Shama, they are leaving, and they're having that chuckle on her face. It was absolutely fabulous. I'm sure that you must have had a good time during that portion as well.
Yes, when I read the scene, I think that line stayed in my head, and I was like, how do I do it? Because if I overdo it, the line says it all for the audience to understand and for Feroz Sahab to understand. And I was like, I'm not going to overdo it. I'm going to underplay it, and I'll just say the line in the most natural, just being in the moment. And it's beautiful the way it has come out, because when, I always wanted to do performances where after many years, you watch something and you'll be like, oh, that's happy maine. I think Hira Mandi has done that for me. Like when I watch my performance, as an actor, one is always critical about their performances. Like when I watch my performances of earlier shows or whatever, I'm like, oof, I could have done it better. But Hira Mandi, I think, has brought a little change in me as an actor, where I feel that I can, of course, get better, but this was beautiful what I did.
नहीं, देखिए, ये सिर्फ आई थिंक कमाल का परफॉर्मेंस नहीं है. इट्स अ रोल ऑफ अ लाइफ टाइम. और मुझे लगता है कि आज से 10-15 साल के बाद भी लोग इसके बारे में जिक्र करेंगे आपसे जब भी आपसे मुलाकात होगी. और सबसे क्रेडिटेबल बात यह है कि बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स कैरेक्टर है. पहली बात, आई थिंक फॉर एनी वुमन, स्पेशली अ गुड लुकिंग वुमन, कि वैनिटी फैक्टर बहुत ज्यादा होता है. और यहाँ पर उसकी एक स्कार है. आई थिंक वो मैनेज बहुत अच्छे तरीके से किया है, वो अलग की बात है. लेकिन वो उस स्कार का जो एक आई थिंक घाव तो भर जाते हैं, लेकिन जो एक जहनी आई थिंक जो स्कार्स होते हैं वो हमेशा रहते हैं, और वो उसकी पर्सनैलिटी में हमेशा दिखता है. और उसको कैरी कर पाना आई थिंक must have been really tough.
So initially when I did the scar, it was very technical. एक prosthetics करके आप अपने चेहरे पर, but once you're getting deeper in the character and once you start enjoying the character, it becomes a part of your personality. And I think scar is what Wahida is. It's the foundation of a character. Scar is the constant reminder for Wahida that who she was and who she doesn't want to be. So it's so beautiful to have, like, I got so used to the scar on the set that sometimes Sanjay sir would call all of us for the rehearsals and we would go and I would be like, nahi, abhi prosthetics nahi hua hai. So they're like, arey ma'am, it's just a rehearsal, just come like that. So it became a part of my personality and I started enjoying that. And the way I think I'm so glad, because as you said that this character is so complex. But I think I've mentioned this before also, that Sanjay sir told me that, even if you murder somebody as a character, people should feel bad for you. And that's what I think when I watch the show now. I'm so glad that the audience are resonating with Wahida and they are connecting with the complex emotion, because no individual or no human being is purely good or purely bad. They have complex emotions in them, and it's beautiful to portray it. And I've thoroughly enjoyed playing Wahida. I hope I get many such characters to play, and it's just a big thing.
नो एब्सोल्युटली आई थिंक डेफिनेटली इज अ बिगनिंग और जिस तरीके से आई थिंक हीरा मंडी ट्रेंड कर रही है और जिस तरीके से आई थिंक जो किरदार जो सबसे ज्यादा जिनके बारे में बात हो रही है वही था उनमें से डेफिनेटली एक है और जिस तरीके का इंटरेस्ट आपके अंदर जनरेट हो रहा है मुझे तो बहुत खुशी है मैं अभी मेरी कुछ दिनों पहले आपसे फाइटर के लिए बात हुई थी और जिस तरीके से आज के टाइम पे मुझे लगता है कि आप पहले से बहुत पॉपुलर पॉपुलर नहीं है टीवी में भी बहुत आपने काम किया है लेकिन जिस तरीके की मकबूलियत आपको पिछले कुछ दिनों में मिली है मुझे लगता नहीं है कि इतने इतने सालों काम करने के बाद भी आपको शायद उस तरीके की मकबूलियत नहीं मिली होगी
बिल्कुल फरीदून, मतलब मैं आई वेक अप एवरी मॉर्निंग thanking Allah that it's been so great to work with such great people. It's been great to work
हम्म
with the man of my dream, Sanjay sir, because मुझे लगता था कि कहीं ना कहीं वो एक इंसान है जो मेरी काबिलियत निकाल पाएंगे. And I'm so glad to be polished by him and to be shining bright as one of his heroes of Hira Mandi. तो बहुत ही बेहतरीन फीलिंग है. जस्ट इट्स अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ हाई टू बी अ बंसाली हीरोइन.
दिलचस्प बात यह है वहीदा के कैरेक्टर में कि कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज हैं बहुत कुछ उसके साथ जो होता है वो गलत होता है लेकिन बेचारी नहीं है फाइल दे देती है और उसको कहती है कि मुझे पता है कि तुम ख्वाबगह मुझे नहीं दोगी सो she has a lot of nuances and she's also coming from like a position of power in her own way as well which is very unique इस तरीके के किरदार यूजुअली आई थिंक लिखे नहीं जाते हैं
I'm just so thankful Faridun because for a director and for a maker who's known and who's respected for his brilliant mind, to see that kind of potential in me to pull off such a complicated character is itself a blessing for me because I don't think ऐसे कोई भी मुझे बुला लेगा और मुझे बोलेगा कि आप ये कर लो. But he has an eye. When he sees an actor, he sees the actor and he sees the character, what they can do and what they can't do. And it's so beautiful that he brings you out of your comfort zone to make you do something which you've never done before. And it makes, as an actor, for me, it is very challenging because I'm challenged, I'm aware of my strengths today. So it's in a way, it's in a way has been so beautiful. It's evolving to be around that man. It's so nice. When he enters the set with an energy and that today I'm going to create some magic, and that magic is just not created like that. He is there before the actors on set. He is there till the actors leave. Probably even after our backup, he's sitting with his creative team and discussing about tomorrow's shoot. So the kind of dedication, the kind of passion, the kind of perseverance what the man has is something which is so beautiful and something to learn from him.
जो कसक है एक आई थिंक वहीदा की मुझे लगता है कि आई थिंक बहुत ही एक्स्ट्रॉर्डनरी है और एज अ व्यूअर आपको बहुत ज्यादा कनेक्ट करती है वहीदा से जब बिब्बो जान हेंडरसन को चुरा ले जाती हैं वहीदा से तो उसका जो एक सेंटिमेंट ये है कि मुझसे हर चीज मुझसे छीन ली जाती है द ड्रामा दैट शी क्रिएट्स इन द होटल एंड दैट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी पर्सनल स्पेस ये एक जो और but the fact is that she reconciles to the situation and she also likes these people. She's inherently a good person.
Yeah.
ये जो nuances किरदार के थे because मुझे लगता है कि ऑडियंस बहुत कनेक्ट करती है इस तरीके के किरदारों के साथ.
That's the beauty of I think Sanjay Leela Bhansali, that he makes the characters so relatable to the audience. Like I see that आपने जैसे कहा कि वहीदा के कैरेक्टर के साथ ऑडियंस का जो रिलेशनशिप है वो हर सीन में चेंज हो रहा है. मतलब उन्हें पता ही नहीं वो क्या करने वाली है. पर हाँ, एक बात जो कांस्टेंट है वो उसके लिए बहुत बुरा लग रहा है बिकॉज वो कहाँ भी जाती है. जैसे आपने बोला बिब्बो जान हेंडरसन को ले जाती है, मलिका जान ख्वाजा नहीं देती, फरीदन भी धोखा देती है. सो शी समबडी इन द फैमिली हु इज बिट्रेड बाय ईच एंड एवरी मेंबर. और आपकी जो फैमिली आपको जो दगा दे सकती है ना वो कोई नहीं दे सकता है, और जो दर्द दे सकती है. लाइक आई फील दैट योर ब्लड कैन हर्ट यू द मोस्ट एंड दे कैन लव यू द मोस्ट. तो शी समबडी हु इज लाइक यार मैं कोशिश करती रहूंगी चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. सो इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी so I'm somebody, Faridun, who enjoys the character and who gets deeper in the character while playing the character, because again OTT gives you that space, and OTT gives you that liberty to enjoy the process because it's a longer format. ये फिल्म नहीं थी तो ऐसा नहीं था कि 2.5-3 घंटे में सबकी कहानियां बताई गई है. हमारे जो 8 एपिसोड्स है उसमें सबके किरदार को अच्छे से परख के उनके कैरेक्टर के बारे में सर ने समझाया है, and that's why I think people have understood the character. So for me, I enjoyed the process of Wahida. I enjoyed that little nuances because sir ने पूरा होमवर्क कर लिया था about Wahida in terms of कि वो we discovered the character together, but sir knew that Valida कैसे उठेगी, कैसे बैठेगी, कैसे देखेगी. और फिर वो धीरे धीरे then I started marinating myself with the character. I started enjoying that small nuances, that subtle
हम्म,
नखरास. और I think वो हर लड़की में होता है, but वो सही वक्त पे निकलना चाहिए. So it's so nice that I've done some of the most iconic scenes of Hira Mandi. And
right.
when the surprising part is that when I was doing Hira Mandi, I had no idea. I didn't even know that I was going to be the poster girl of Hira Mandi. मुझे पता ही नहीं था. I was like, I'm getting the opportunity to work with Sanjeeva Bansali. What I have to do as an actor is I have to give my 200% because that man has seen something in me and I will not disappoint him. So every day I would go on the set thinking that, या अल्लाह आप मुझसे कुछ ऐसा करवा देना जिससे सर खुश हो जाए और एज एन एक्टर आई शुड फील कंटेंट एंड हैप्पी. एंड बिलीव मी, this is what I've started. From Hira Mandi, I would come back home and I would be so happy because when you're shooting, you don't realize कि आपने क्या कर दिया. But आप जब घर आते हो ना, तो जो सुकून की नींद आती है ना आपको, तो I used to write my feelings about working each day on the set, and it felt so liberating and felt so nice to express myself, and
हम्म,
that is still with me. And when I read about it, when now, because now I've seen the show and I know about the scenes and everything, when I read about the thing what I've written, I feel so happy that I've got this experience and it's written with me.
बहुत बार मैं आपका एक इंटरव्यू देख रहा था, आपने कहा है कि आपको इंटरव्यूज का, इन सब चीजों का आपको उतना शौक नहीं है. यूजुअली आप, यू आर नॉट लाइक अ वेरी, बहुत से एक्टर्स स्टोरीज प्लांट करवाते हैं, बहुत सी और चीजें होती हैं, हर तरीके की आई थिंक चीजें होती हैं. आपने उन सब चीजों में कभी दिलचस्पी नहीं ली है. ये कहा जाता है कि अपने काम की आप गूंज का इतना बड़ा धमाका कर दें कि बाकी किसी भी तरीके के पैराफर्नेलिया की जरूरत ही ना पड़े. क्या आपको लगता है कि दैट दिस इज समथिंग दैट रियली हैज वर्कड फॉर यू, स्पेशली विद दिस रिस्पॉन्स?
I think somewhere yes. और मेरा मेरा मीडिया से गायब होना या मेरा ये कोई इंटेंशनल नहीं था. इट्स नॉट दैट आई वाज डूइंग सम ग्रेट वर्क. आई वाज सिटिंग एट होम टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माय चाइल्ड एंड आई वाज एंजॉयिंग डूइंग दैट. अब मैं अगर बात भी कर रही हूँ फरीद, तो मैं क्या बात करूंगी बताओ. आप मुझे पूछोगे घर में कैसा है, आपकी बच्ची कैसी है, या व्हाट हैव यू ईटन टुडे. आई एम रियली नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू टॉक अबाउट दिस. आई एम इंटरेस्टेड when a person is appreciating my work, because for that you can always call me and you can ask me how you are. But for the audience, because we work for a medium where audience हमारी जिंदगी में बहुत ज्यादा दिलचस्पी लेती है, and that's beautiful. They talk whatever they want to talk. They judge you, but I just feel that when the time is correct, it's beautiful to talk about things, and especially when an actor is working towards a craft of improvement, and there's more to talk about. I'm so glad that the people who are interested to know what's happening in my personal life, they are not interested in it anymore. They're just interested in knowing कि भाई Vayuda, Hira Mandi, Spider, Hrithik Roshan, Deepika, Siddharth Anand, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. And it's great to talk about those people because I've worked with them. I can share my experiences and there's so much to talk about them.
ओके. आपने करीबन 2 साल पहले आपने इस हीरा मंडी के लिए आपने शूटिंग आपने स्टार्ट करी. मैं पर्सनल चीजों में मैं नहीं कभी भी आई थिंक कोशिश करता हूँ जाने की, बट स्टिल अगर आप एक पर्सनल आपको एक अगर हर्ट फील कर रहे हैं या फिर एक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ आपको एक कुछ, आई थिंक देयर इज अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ सैडनेस विद इन योर हार्ट. Does that contribute to your performance in any way whatsoever, especially playing a character like Wahida, जिसका एक इनहेरेंट उसके साथ में कुछ हद तक नाइंसाफी हुई है, वो एक उसके अंदर एक सैडनेस है, उसके अंदर एक थोड़ा सा एक एंजाइटी है कि दैट मे बी समथिंग इज नॉट राइट विद द वे लाइफ हैज ट्रीटेड मी.
I think I'll agree with you. A part of your personality is always there in the character what you're playing. I'm not saying Sanjeeta is exactly like Varinda, but I think everyone goes through phases in life where you have sad phases and you have good phases. And what one learns to be is that from that sad phases, you come up and you look for a brighter future. And from the good phases, you want to keep them forever in your life. But, of course, when you're doing a character, like Vashita, one thing I'd learned that you enjoy the dark side of your story also, which is very good as a performer. You have to enjoy the dark side of your story. कि हाँ भाई मेरी जिंदगी में कुछ हुआ था, and at that time what I felt hurt, I felt terrible, and if you can while emoting, I don't keep that in my mind, but it's there in my heart, which is going to stay, right? And as a performer, then you perform and you emote and you forget about it. And this is the same goes for my life. I'm not somebody who will be like sulking, will be regretting. I'm just very proud of my journey, and I'm so happy that whatever happened in my life had a reason it happened, and it's beautiful to come out from that and lead a life, the life which I wanted to lead.
ओके, जैसे आपने कहा कि आपने नोट्स आप बनाने लगी हैं, आप जब आप ये इसका आप प्ले कर रही थी इसको, कोई एक ऐसा लम्हा था जब आपको इस चीज का एहसास हुआ कि ये एक ऐसा किरदार आप प्ले कर रही हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल हो रहा है एंड यू पार्ट ऑफ अ सीरीज व्हिच विल बी टॉक्ड अबाउट इन अ ह्यूज वे, कोई ऐसा लम्हा आपने महसूस किया?
So I'm gonna talk about the first scene which I shot with Sir, and that scene has become so people talk about it when I meet them. Also, people talk about that one scene. It's the scene where I say that मैं चोर नहीं हूँ to Malika Jan, and then she comes outside and then she changes her robe, and that's the real Vahida. When I was shooting that first scene, uh, when you're working with a maker for the first time and a maker of this caliber, uh, you want to give your all out, like all out. And when I was shooting, uh, it's so beautiful that I thought, because I've not worked with Sir before, and I thought that Sir would want me to do it in a particular way, and he'd be very specific about कि आप यहाँ से उठकर यहीं जाओगे और यहाँ देखोगे और ऐसे ही बोलोगे. He looked at me and he said, Sunita, you know what? Just do it the way you want to do it. If I don't like it, I'll be honest with you. And if I like it, I'll be honest with that too. So he gave me the liberty to explore the character. And I fell in love with him more because I was like, wow, it's so beautiful that he's not restricting me to doing something which he wants it to be done in a particular way. He's giving me the liberty to do it in my way. And of course, then you have somebody like Sanjay Leela Bhansali who is there to tell you what is right, what is wrong. And I think that is the scene, I think, that changed everything for me, and that made me realize when I come back home that I think something special is happening. I don't know what is happening, but something special is happening, and something which I've never witnessed before, or which I've never experienced before. But I did not get the correct emotion at that time, because again I was like, it was a long process of shooting, and I'm like, let's see, because this day has passed. Let's see that let's make today more interesting than yesterday. So each day was very challenging, each day was very interesting, and each day I went on the set thinking that let's create some magic today.
क्या बात है. बहुत आई थिंक बहुत से आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस व्हेन वी वॉच एनी कंटेंट व्हाटसएवर, बहुत से चीजों से जिनसे हम कनेक्ट करते हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं हम उससे एक सेल्फ आइडेंटिफिकेशन होता है एट अ वेरी सब्लिमिनल लेवल, बहुत ही पर्सनल लेवल पे. जैसे एक सेंस ऑफ वैलिडेशन जो वहीदा कॉन्स्टेंटली मलिका जान से एक्सपेक्ट करती है, समवेयर शी लुक्स अप टू हर सो मच and she wants her to acknowledge her, she wants her to acknowledge her intelligence, her sensibility and the way she contributes to the family, और उसको वो एक मिलता नहीं है, एक acknowledgement उसको कहीं मिलता नहीं है, and that hurts her maybe a lot. I personally felt maybe Wahida is in a relationship with Malika Jan. और ये बहुत से लोग जो हैं उसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं बिकॉज वो किसी को लुक अप टू करते हैं कुछ, एंड दे उनकी जिंदगी गुजर जाती है उस शख्स को इम्प्रेस करने में, लेकिन वो उनको वहां से एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं मिलता है. डू यू लुक एट कैरेक्टराइजेशंस फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, एंड maybe that has also helped in connecting with a lot of people as far as your character is concerned?
Yeah, because as human beings, I just feel that you should appreciate what is good, what is what stays with you. And I have become very expressive as a person. अगर मुझे कुछ अच्छा लगता है ना तो मैं एक्सप्रेस करती हूँ, और मुझे लगता है वो आपके घर में ही शुरू होता है. इट्स समटाइम्स यू टेक योर ओन पीपल फॉर ग्रांटेड. यू लिटरली टेक योर ओन पीपल फॉर ग्रांटेड बिकॉज आपको लगता है अरे वो समझ जाएंगे, उनको क्या बोलने की जरूरत है. बट यू शुड बिगिन द process of acknowledgement and the process of appreciation at home. Like if I feel that my mom is looking nice or my mom has cooked very well, हम बोलते ना अच्छा खाना तो अच्छा बनाती है मम्मा, ठीक है, नहीं बोलते. But I have started expressing myself. I was always very expressive, but I've become a better I've become much more better in expressing myself, and I feel that appreciation somewhere gives you the motivation to become better, and that's what I'm feeling with the love and appreciation what I'm getting for my character. When people are appreciating, like I remember, uh, I spoke to Asha Parekh ma'am, and she, my God, she sounded so young on the call that for me it was like, am I really talking to Asha ma'am? And she said something so beautiful that I saw this girl with a scar, उन्हें पता नहीं था कि मैं हूँ. And then she's like, बाद में मुझे पता चला कि ये संगीता शेख है. और मुझे इतनी खुशी हुई बिकॉज आप जो डिजर्व करती थी आपको मिला, और मुझे बहुत बहुत खुशी हुई आपको इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हुए देख के. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दीज वेटरन्स, यू नो, अप्रिशिएटिंग योर वर्क, एंड दे हैव डन लाइक सो मच वर्क, एंड they are stars who will never die. And also Rekha ma'am, she come for the screening, and I'm somebody who's like, who's not some, who's not like, will go and start talking and all. And I take my time. I understand the other person's process. कि हाँ सब मिल रहे हैं उनसे, तो मैं अपना side में खड़ी थी. And then she told somebody that I want to meet Vahida. And then I was called by the team, and they said that Rekha ma'am wants to meet you. And then I went to her, and she just looked at me and she said, Sangeeta, where were you? I'm so glad that Sanjay sir discovered you. And she also told me that not seen any of your work. I'm like, good ma'am, this is the best work of mine you've seen. So I'm very happy, and I'll keep doing good work. And it was so beautiful to get that kind of love and appreciation from all these veterans. And it feels great. So coming back to the acknowledgement part, yes, it is very motivating to feel validated and to be acknowledged and to get all the appreciation and love.
आई एम श्योर कि आपको बहुत ही कमाल के आपको ऑफर्स भी डेफिनेटली आपको आना शुरू हो गए होंगे एंड आई थिंक डेफिनेटली योर दिस इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक अ न्यू ट्रेजेक्टरी एज फार एज योर करियर इज कंसर्न. एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज क्या होती है कि जब आप किसी ऐसे शो या फिल्म का आप हिस्सा होते हैं जिसको एक बहुत ही वाइड ऑडियंस मिलती है, it also gives an opportunity for people who are looking for certain faces and certain characters and certain actors. वो देखते हैं कि एक्टर के अंदर भूख कितनी है, दैट वो किस हद तक वो अपने अपने इमोशंस को जो है वो लोगों के सामने पर्दे पर लाने के लिए तैयार है. बिकॉज आसान नहीं है अपने आप को बेयर करना, या फिर इस लेवल पे आसान नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. सो जिस तरीके का आपने एक शिद्दत दिखाई है इसमें, जिस तरीके की भूख दिखाई है, do you think it's like an announcement as well for a lot of people in terms of that you are hungry to do good work?
I am very hungry to do good work. And I think people's perception about me would change, inshallah, because I feel that I will become a lot more seriously as an actor now. And inshallah, there are many performance-oriented roles waiting for me. So this was needed, I think, for me as an actor. I wanted to be spoken about my work. I wanted people to just not talk about, Arey, she's wearing a lovely sari and she's wearing a lovely salwar kurta and she's looking very nice and pretty. I wanted to be more than that. And I think Hira Mandi has done that. I began from fighter, but people, though it was like kirdar, kuch scenes mein tha, but I think somewhere it touched many people's heart, and then they're like, and that also gave me the confidence that actually the length of the role doesn't matter. What you bring onto the table and how you stay in audience's heart is more important. So I think I'm becoming more confident कि आप मुझे कुछ दे दो, I will want to do and I would want to shine the brightest. And it's so nice that as makers, as audience, now if I do something, people will expect me to be better than what I did. And it's great to feel that.
Okay, एक आई थिंक और नुआंस जो कि मुझे बहुत दिलचस्प लगा वहीदा के किरदार के बारे में. शी हैज अ स्कार, इमोशनल वुंड के अलावा it's also something which is in a way visible. Now she's a तवायफ और उनको डिजायरेबल भी दिखना है. ये भी एक बैलेंस स्ट्राइक करना और वो एक अंदर से महसूस करना कि दैट मैं खूबसूरत हूँ और मर्द मुझको देखकर जो है वो अट्रैक्ट होते हैं, होना चाहिए, वो भी एक दिलचस्प कश्मकश मुझे लगता है कि किरदार के लिए हो सकती है या हुई होगी।
Yeah, she was physically scarred, but the internal scar was much more than the physical scar. So she always had to,
हम्म,
you know, outshine, and she always had to do some things which can make her feel that she's important for everyone around. And I think जो भी everyone, whoever's done the characters, all the Tawayas, हमारे जो हमारे अंदर एक कश्मकश चलती रहती है. Uh, it's just that we camouflage those emotions, and uh, we we become performers. But जो हम internally है, there is a sad, like if you see all the characters, Malika Jan, उनके अंदर एक sadness है, फरीदन उसके अंदर एक sadness है, बिब्बो जान, आलमजीत, रिचा लज्जो, everyone is sad from inside. और वो किस
हम्म,
चीज उनके उनके अंदर कुछ है कि उन्हें उस चीज के लिए लड़ना है. But yes, for me, the sad part was that I was internally bruised and I was externally bruised. तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग था कि भाई अब मुझे अगर किसी ऑफिसर को रिझाना है तो मुझे एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट करनी पड़ती थी, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक आई वुड फील बैड मोर. But it's so beautiful to play a character like this, because in real life I would never do that. I would never like,
of course,
yeah.
right, right. Okay, how does being a mother makes you centered?
I feel I'm seeing heaven every day on earth, basically. I would just put it like that.
क्या बात,
Yeah.
माशाल्लाह, क्या बात.
I feel that it's a gift from God and a little piece of heaven which is sent to me in my life to change everything for better. And she's somebody who's given me so much strength. As a mother, as a person, actually, I've become more patient and I've become a very good listener, because this is the age where they come up with such random questions कि ये क्या है, इसका color green क्यों है, ये क्या है, and you know how beautiful it is, and you keep like answering them, and then you like चलो answer कर दो, because then after 10 years they'll have Google, so they will not talk to you. You know, they'll be tech friendly. So right now I'm giving my time. For me, my life is all around Ira right now, work and Ira, and I think I think I'm born again with Ira. I completely feel so refreshed. I completely feel like a new woman, and it makes me feel so happy about being a mother. And I never thought that I would be such a wonderful mother. I am actually a good mother. I do everything
I'm
like,
not.
yeah, I
You
love it.
definitely,
I
yeah.
love. I mean, like, just my social life is all about going for her friend's birthday party, planning like a kids club with her friends, and I love it. I love it. I also love it because I love eating French fries. I love eating pizzas. I love eating all the kids' food. So when my child is playing, I'm the one who's busy eating everything. So I love spending each and every moment with Ira, and it's so beautiful. She's turning out to be a very understanding girl, because we are somebody who are vocal and we express. So being expressive with your child is also very important, and I think that's what she's imbibing from me.
Amazing. And Ira believes that mommy is the brand ambassador of Netflix.
It's so she has her Peppa Pigs and cartoons going on at Netflix, and she gets the time when she's having a lunch, she can watch Netflix for some time, and now she knows that Fighter is on Netflix, and then she watches Hira Mandi's poster on the screen, and she just looks at it and she's like, "Mom, you're on Netflix again." So yeah, she's actually the ambassador for Netflix right now.
So Sanjita, I'm here in Surrey and lots of Punjabis around, and I believe you've been a part of a Punjabi film as well.
Really? And a good
So
one.
tell me, how's been your experience as far as Punjabi?
I have worked for very less Punjabi films. I've done like 2 Punjabi films. And my first one was with Amrinder Gill, who was
Who's like superstar?
yeah, he is so big, and he just not big. He's a wonderful human being. I mean, looking at him, he's the most humble person. He he sometimes forgets he's Amrinder Gill. That's the beautiful quality, I think. That's so beautiful. He forgets he's Amrinder Gill, and you have to constantly remind him that, dude, you're a star. But I think Punjab functions like that. वो अपने में रहते हैं खुश, अपनी फैमिली के साथ खुश रहते हैं. आओ सेट पर काम करो, घर जाओ. And he's somebody, Amrinder is somebody who doesn't talk too much to, I think, to his co-actor. That's what I felt. But I would still engage him in all the gossips and everything. I was like, तुम बैठो मेरे पास, मैं आपको gossip सुनाती हूँ. And he would sit, and then every day he would come in like, आज क्या सुनाओगी बताओ. So it's fun to work with people who are evolving and who are such great actors. And I personally feel that my performance in Punjabi film, because I'm not familiar with the language. Of course, you've heard Punjabi, but I'm not fluent in Punjabi. But just working with a great actor helps you to enhance your performance. And I was appreciated for my film. The film's name is Ashke, and it's a beautiful film, and it's so good that I've done less work in Punjab, but I've done good work in Punjab.
No, absolutely. And I think since Hiramandi is based in Lahore, which is also lots of Punjabi element over there as well, which we see some of it in Hiramandi as well. And currently the sort of, I think, success that Diljit is enjoying. So I saw his show here in Vancouver, like 55,000 people, and the sort of hysteria that he's creating in North America is, I think, truly unprecedented.
Sorry, who?
Diljit Dosanjh.
Oh my God, yes. It's bad.
Yeah. So how do you look at this I think extraordinary response that he's getting all across the world?
I think it's got a really cool vibe.
Mm-hmm.
I think people who are just themselves and they don't act like, or they don't want to portray somebody else, and they just be real to the audience. They just be real. वो भी बंदा कम बात करता है, अपना काम करता है, हाँ, but stage पे आता है तो ऐसा धमाका करता है that everyone's like, oh wow, क्या कर दिया. And he's so talented. He can sing well. He's a good performer. I happened to watch his Chamkila, and fantastic actor, fantastic. It's so beautiful to watch good performances where when you're watching good performance, you always end up learning. It's a great feeling to watch a good actor on screen because there's always something to learn from them, and he's supremely talented according to me. I remember one of my friends was supposed to go for his concert in Bombay, and she was unwell, so she was sulking, and I think she felt more sick because she couldn't attend.